Hey Nick, how's it going? It is Bree here. I wanted to just go over a couple things to kind of explain how we can help and how you can get a digital presence and kind of get yourself online. So, for starters, I went ahead and Googled just for the state of Massachusetts to make this easy, landscape maintenance companies MA. Here we can see these guys are running Google ads. You can see it says ad, ad, ad. So these are all Google ads here. And this is called the map pack. So the top three listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. The way you can get yourself into these top three is by one, having one, so having a Google business profile. Two, filling it out as much as possible. So your name, address, phone numbers, reviews, description, like really filling that bad boy out. And then three, putting your name, address, and phone number into as many directories as possible. Directories are things like Yelp or Yellow Pages, etc. Those really help to power this profile. The websites listed below here, these are called the organics, and the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top three so that the most amount of people are going to find you. Let's take a look at this first right here, ideal landscape. So for starters, I like this layout. I don't like that this is on a second line, but overall, I really like this photo. It's clean. Their call to action, contact us, view gallery, their services. I think this could probably look a little bit better, but all right, that's good. Testimonials. So this is a great thing to have, especially on your homepage. You want to have testimonials. Their services, again, a little bit about them. Their photos are kind of blurry. I don't like the pop-up that comes up when you scroll over it, but okay. Some videos, that's nice. And another call to action. Okay. Overall, not a bad site. The main issue that I'm seeing here is they really don't have enough content on here. And so Google likes to see about a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. They have these crawlers that come through. They're reading the content and they're trying to figure out what areas you serve and what services you offer. The more content you have on here, the more they're going to learn about you and the more they're going to think you're an expert in your field. In addition to that, you're going to want to beat out your competitors. So if your competitors had about 1,000 words, then you're going to want to have 1,500 words, etc. And within that content, you want keywords. So like how we just Googled landscape maintenance companies, Massachusetts, if you had landscape companies or landscape maintenance companies, Massachusetts, a lot of times within your content, you're going to be really relevant for that. And Google's going to be willing to put you higher up in the top. This is something I don't really see that much of on their site. So it's going to be important to get that kind of stuff on your site. Now let's take a look at why they're actually ranking. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put them into here so we can see what we're up against. The second thing I want to go over is UR and DR ratings, as these ratings are really important for where you fall within the Google search results. A UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, so how trustworthy is your website? And a DR rating is essentially a power rating with Google, so how powerful is your website? These numbers are generally raised by a thing called a backlink, and really all a backlink is just a shout out or an endorsement from another website. So if there's another website endorsing your company and they have a clickable button back to your website, that's really all a backlink is. And so we can actually click on these numbers, see what ones they have, and go and get those for your site and then additional ones as well. Now, lastly, and most importantly, I want to talk to you about these organic keywords. These are the keywords within the content that I was talking about before. For example, Massachusetts landscaping. There's approximately 350 freaking people who Google this per month. Hardscaping MA, approximately 80 a month. I'm not sure if you actually do that, but landscape Massachusetts, approximately 200 people a month. Landscape Design Massachusetts, approximately 150. Landscape Contractors MA, approximately 20. Landscaping in Massachusetts, 250. I'm not going to go through everyone because there's actually quite a bit, which is great news. So it's really important to get out in front of those people. The more people that are going to find your website, the more people that will call you, and in turn, the more clients you will land. I know there's quite a few towns that you serve and the services that you offer, so it's really important to get found for those keywords. And if we were to have a website with some good content in there, some good keywords within the content, and some high quality backlinks, it would really help to get that website ranking. So I hope that this is helpful, and I look forward to speaking with you further. Have a great day.